Want that big time money? Want that big time money? Well, come get that big time money with Nick. Haha. Like and subscribe. Boom! Now, let's go make some money! Nick back here with another insane video! Woo! Let's do this. 102K in 1 month with CPA marketing. You heard that right, folks. $100,000 in a month. And did you know that's with free traffic? Impossible, I know, but it's true. Now let's watch the video with Benjamin. Here we go. Woo!
We're gonna go insane. It is the end of the month. Hallelujah. So let me show you this, guys. It is the end of the month. It is literally the 31st. Okay. See you right there. Yes. Okay, so check this out. Let me refresh real quick. Boom. So, refreshing. Perfect. So I'm going to teach you how to make 1,000 per day minimum with CPA marketing. You could use Max Bounty. You could use ClickBait. You could use Digistore. I don't care what you use because it all works.
Hey, listen, I've been using this system from Benjamin to get insane results, and it's super easy. And the great thing is, anyone can do it. I mean, anyone. Just click the link in the description, and I'll see you at the top. Let's go!